my name is Liv, and not that long ago I hopped in my car and went down the main street of my little home of Naracoorte. I tried to call into as many businesses as I could, and well, this is how it went.
My eye, girl, I never loved one like you. Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too. There's nothing there. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home.
A community is what you make it.
To be good natured
is to be better by nature.
Is to be better by nature.
Better by nature.
Is to be better by nature.
Is to be better by nature.
By nature.
To be better by nature.
And well, yeah, that's how it went, learning along the way that my community is what we make it. To be good-natured is to be better by nature.
If you're stuck in the sea,